Welcome to another very exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So let's play maybe a dragon. Okay. Put a knight on c4 here. I'm not sure the configuration makes too much sense at the moment for white. It's sort of creating quite a few weaknesses. I think I'll play this. Yeah, I think knight c4 is looking tasty here. That knight might be doing a good job. Okay, so e5 as well is like energetic. Trying to open up the center. I'm hoping. No, queen b6 there. I wonder why I didn't just play queen b6. And in fact here, isn't he losing a piece here if I play e takes? If I spend more than like 1 millisecond on a move, I might actually spot these opportunities. That is bishop retreat. There was queen b6 surely. Okay, so I've spent more than a millisecond there. Right, he's got two pieces hanging. Yeah, it does sometimes help to spend a little bit of time on a position, independent of how much one thinks one is a genius and can play instantly. So e5. Oh man, I'm gonna have to look. I'm sure I've just blundered there. There was queen b6. It's over anyway. Okay, short one. Yeah, I'm just going to get a knight c. It's a classic plan, just get a knight c4. Yeah, queen b6. What a moron! I mean, I just didn't take any time. Queen b6. There's no answer to it, is there? Knight d5. I take with check. That's why, you know, a lot of games in Sicilian king h1 is played to avoid these silly things like pins and tactical disasters like that. Yes, but I've managed to spot e takes d4 rather than this one. Okay, that's good. That's good news. All right, slow down. Coffee. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.